Unleash your inner fire. 10 hot yoga poses. Welcome to your guide to the top 10 hot yoga poses. These poses will not only challenge your body but will also bring mental tranquility. First, we dive into the sun salutation, a series of poses that build heat and flexibility. It's the perfect start to any hot yoga session. Next is the warrior eye pose, a powerful stance that ignites your inner fire. This pose strengthens your legs and opens your chest and lungs. The warrior two pose, a variation of warrior eye, is all about balance and endurance. This pose will test your stamina and concentration. Coming up is the extended triangle pose. This pose stretches your whole body and improves digestion. Then we have the bridge pose, an ideal pose for opening up the chest and strengthening the lower body. Following the bridge pose, we introduce the chair pose. This pose will challenge your balance and strengthen your thighs. Your strength will be tested with the bow pose. This backbending pose stretches the entire front body and strengthens the back muscles. The bow pose is an excellent pose for enhancing your core strength. It also improves your balance and digestion. Then we have the seated forward bend pose. This calming pose soothes the mind and is also great for stretching your spine and hamstrings. The standing forward bend pose is perfect for calming the brain and relieving stress. It's also a great hamstring and hip opener. Finally, we end with the corpse pose. This pose is all about relaxation and inner peace, the perfect way to finish off your hot yoga session. Remember, the goal isn't about perfecting these poses, but rather focusing on your own progress and self-awareness. These hot yoga poses are not only about sweating out toxins, but also about unleashing your inner fire and strength. Each pose targets different parts of your body, helping you enhance your overall flexibility, strength, and inner balance. It's crucial to focus on your breathing throughout the poses. Breathing helps regulate your body's temperature and keeps you grounded. Remember to listen to your body. If a pose feels uncomfortable, it's okay to modify it to suit your needs. Hot yoga is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy every step of the journey regardless of the challenges you meet along the way. With these 10 hot yoga poses, you'll begin to notice a positive shift in your body, mind, and overall well-being. Hot yoga is not just about physical fitness, it also nurtures mental clarity and emotional stability. So why wait? Ignite your inner fire with these 10 hot yoga poses and experience the transformative energy of hot yoga. Remember, regular practice is key to mastering these poses and reaping their benefits. Thank you for joining us in exploring these 10 hot yoga poses. We hope they bring you the strength, balance, and tranquility you seek. Embrace the heat, embrace the sweat, and most importantly, embrace yourself.